After the session is complete, you can clean up the resources in order to avoid unnecessary costs. In the Azure portal, open the list of resource groups from the categories on the left, then filter by typing MOD20. Select the PAAS resource group, click on Delete Resource Group. You need to confirm by entering the name of the resource group and then click Delete. Then you can repeat the exact same steps for the other resource group with the virtual machines. Deleting both resource groups typically takes a few minutes. As a final instruction, we will see you what you should do if the database migration service ends up in a faulty state before the session. When you run all the checks detailed in the beginning of this video, you will check the state of the DMS. If everything is fine, once all the projects are deleted, you will see a green banner on top of the page. But sometimes the DMS ends up in a faulty state and the banner is orange as shown here. In this case, you can try to restart the DMS with this button. But often the easiest way is just to delete it and create a new instance. Note that the whole deployment can take up to 10 or 15 minutes, so don't wait too long before performing these steps. Also note that you can have only 2 instances of the DMS per subscription and region. If you exceed this number, you will get an error during the deployment. In this case, you should select a different subscription or a different region. First, start by deleting the faulty instance. Click the button labeled Delete Service and confirm by entering the name of the DMS. Then click the Delete button. Then click on Create a Resource. In the search field, enter Database Migration Service. Click on Create and then enter the information. For the service name, enter the same name as before, which should be MOD20, then your prefix, and then the suffix DMS. For the subscription, select the same subscription than for the other resources in the PAS group. You can also select another subscription if you need to. For the resource group, select the PAS resource group from the list. For the location, select either the same location as for the other resources, which is recommended, or a different location if you have to. Then click on Virtual Network. You can select the one named MOD20, then your prefix, and then VNet/default. For the pricing tier, select Premium. Finally, click on Create. The creation of the DMS takes a while, and you can monitor this from the notifications area. That's it. You know everything you need to know. Have fun rehearsing and presenting this session.